Policeman shot in Portmore and had his gun and bike stolen. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. It will be greatly appreciated. So news coming out of Jamaica is that the police have launched an investigation into the shooting of a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force along Municipal Boulevard in Portmore, St. Catherine, on Monday night. The policeman was reportedly driving, or actually riding, a motorcycle when he was attacked by criminals who reportedly shot him in the back. The incident happened around 10 o'clock. He is said to have lost control of the motorcycle, which then crashed. The attackers stole the motorcycle as well as the policeman's service firearm and escape. The cop was found this morning on the scene and was taken to hospital by ambulance. Jaja, people, very, very sad right now, people. Criminals targeting police officers at a all-time high, people. You see me, you have to be vigilant on the road. You see me, no more than them out there watching a see what go on, and probably just wait till the police are pass by and just fire a couple shots. And one shot hit the police, him drop off of the bike, lost control, and then take him gun and fled. As you can see, them never want, I guess they never want to kill him. They just shot him, or them try see what could have happened, because they never like run up to him and finish shoot him. Them just fire one shot and he catch the police officer. See, these are the criminals we need to get off of the street. Once them must target police officers, and them a target law-abiding citizens, we need to get these criminals off of the road, people. And I hope them find them, you see? Hope them truly find them, you see me, people? Once I get more information on this, I will update you guys, alright? Bless up from YaadAndAbroadTV. Much love and appreciation, alright? Hit the subscribe button and support YaadAndAbroadTV.